You'll be like, oh, I'm the best at the sensor. Also, you'll be like, what project should I build first using our sensor? No worries, you are just at the right place. Today, you are going to learn how to build a full-scale tricorder that will take out the orientation of your sensor, the temperature of your room, the humidity percentage, the pressure, air pressure, and a lot more. This tricorder is going to be our first project and very interesting. Hello everybody, I'm Saion Gupta, founder at Tricorder Kids, and let's jump into the code. So guys, let's get started with the code. What we are gonna do, we're gonna do from sense hat import this sense hat class, right? And if you don't have the sense hat, you can give over here sense emu and everything will work the same. But I have the sense hat, so I'm giving sense hat. So next we're gonna do sense is equals to sense hat. We're gonna initialize an object of our sense hat class. Next we're gonna do sense.clear. So if there is anything on our LED matrix, then we'll clear that. Next we're gonna define a method orientation that will give us the orientation of our our sense hat, right? So we're gonna say orientation is equals to sense.get orientation. So this get orientation. So this get orientation method uses the inertial sensors. If you don't know about inertial sensors, do check out my video that I just uploaded. Pretty cool. Next we are gonna take out the pitch. Pitch is basically, I'm gonna tell you in short, it is the x-axis of a Raspberry Pi. That is this. Roll is the pitch is the y-axis. Okay, pitch is the y-axis, that is this. Roll is the x-axis, that is this, and yaw is the z-axis, that is this. Pretty cool. I gave you a little overview on it. Pitch, roll, and yaw. And if you want to study those in detail, just check out my inertial sensors video. So orientation. Pitch, right? Similarly, we'll take out the roll and yaw. Link in the description for the inertial sensors video. Yaw is equals to orientation raw. Nice. This is our orientation method. Next, what we're gonna do in this function only, we're gonna say pitch equals to round pitch, right? So we don't want a decimal values because we will be showing this on our LED matrix, and showing a decimal value in on our LED matrix will be hard to understand. Roll equals to round roll, and then finally we're gonna say yaw equals to round yaw. Yep. And then finally we're gonna do sense.show message. And over here we're gonna say pitch zero, roll 1. So we're gonna do some string formatting over here. Yaw 2 dot format pitch, roll, and yaw. pretty damn cool stuff. So now whenever we call the orientation method, we'll get our this pitch, roll and yaw displayed on our Raspberry Pi LED matrix, right? So next we're going to define temperature. The temperature method this will do temp is equals to sense dot get temperature, and by default it takes out the temperature from the humidity sensor, and if you want to take it out from the pressure sensor, then you have to do just a second, get temperature from pressure. This will take out the temperature from the pressure sensor. More or less the temperatures are almost same, but still to be very accurate you can do temp, they give this H temp, that is a humidity temperature. So this will be your H temp, that's the humidity temperature. And to stay more accurate, we're gonna copy this, paste this. This will be P temp, pressure temperature, get temperature from pressure, right? So now this will also take out the temperature from our pressure sensor. Next we're gonna do temp is equals to H temp plus P temp divided by 2. So we're gonna take out the average, right? So we're gonna take out the average. So this is a more accurate temperature, you can say. We'll then do temp is equals to round temp. Next what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do sense dot show message, right? These keyboard keys are asthma. We're gonna do temperature %s degrees Celsius, and then we're gonna just say %temp, so it will put in the value of temp over there. Pretty cool. Next we have humidity method. Humidity, right? This will take out the humidity for us. So humidity is equals to sense dot get humidity is equals to round humidity. Finally sense dot show message humidity %s%. So this will humidity comes in percentage, so we wanna say humidity %s% and replace it by a humidity. So this will tell us how much percent is humidity in our room, right? Next we are gonna define pressure, and the pressure unit is millibars. Pressure, right? And you just have to give sense dot get pressure over here. Pressure okay, don't want to misspell anything and have a buggy program. And then we're gonna say pressure S, and this comes in millibars. So we're gonna say millibars, and we're gonna say the pressure over here. Okay, and finally we're gonna define our compass, right? So we're gonna say for I in range 0 till 10, right, and we're gonna take out north is equals to sense dot get compass, and we have just defined this loop so that our reading, the last reading is the most accurate one, right? So the last reading that comes is the most accurate one. So so to stay very accurate, we have looped and then taken north. But if it is still not accurate for you, you can increase the loop length like 100,000 or whatever you want. For me 10 is okay, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna say north is equals to round north, and finally we're gonna say sense dot show message north percentage degrees, right? So like you have in compass, it gives us the degrees like 350 degrees, 360 degrees, or sorry 359 degrees, 330 degrees, or so on. You get the degrees in your compass application in your iPhone. Similarly, this is also giving us the degrees, right? And it will give us 0 when our sensat is directly facing the north side. Now we need some way to call this compass thingy also, so these methods also, right? All these methods, we have defined them, but we need to call them also. So what we'll do, we'll use the joystick. So like when it will go up, we'll call the orientation method to show the orientation. When it will go right, we'll show the temperature. When it will go down, it will show the compass. When it goes left, we'll show the humidity. When it goes middle, we'll show the pressure, and so on. So we're gonna do sense dot stick dot direction up. So whenever it goes on the up direction, then call orientation. Okay, and now we are just gonna copy paste this, Control C, and I'm just gonna paste this 4 more times. Okay, and when it goes right, we want to show the temperature. When it goes down, then we want to show north. The compass, we want to call the compass method. When it goes left, then we want to show the humidity percentage. And finally when it goes middle, so when it will be pressed on middle, we just want to show the pressure, right? And we can, now this won't work. So it will set these event listener, but it will immediately terminate the program. It won't keep on the program will not keep on running, right? It will terminate the program after giving the events, right? Assigning the events method, right? So we have set up the events now, but the program will terminate, right? Because the program is not doing nothing further on, right? That will keep it going on. So what we'll do while true, so that this program goes on forever and we can't leave it empty. So we'll just say pass. So now this program will run forever and it will listen forever for these events to happen on a Raspberry Pi. Now the main part, we have coded this tricorder, but we need to go on to our sensat. So now if I run this, nothing comes. But wait a second, when I move this up, I get an error. Okay, so somewhere instead of yaw I've given raw. Okay. Okay, yaw. Okay, sorry about that. Stop, run. Now check this out. Now if I do this up, okay, you can't see it, you can't see it, can't see it. This is giving us the orientation. Oh, bro. It is now telling us the yaw is 341 and the pitch wait a second, is this looping? What just happened? So direction up, orientation. Okay, I'll just do it to the left. So it is telling us the humidity. You can't see it, but it is telling us the humidity. That is 74%. What? Humidity 74%. Now it is showing to us once again. So it showed us 2 times. Okay, I'll just see you in a sec. Okay guys, it was nothing. I was just pressing it for a longer time. That's why it was happening. So, okay, so now if I press this, you're not able to see it. I'll press this once again. So this will, after showing, it will repeat now because I pressed it once again. Just because I can't focus on. Now it is repeating because I pressed it once again. So it is showing you the letters pressure 978 millibar something it showed, right? Pretty cool, pretty cool, right? And if I go to the like left, okay, focus is not there. I'll just do it once again. Left. So after this it will repeat. Oh, I do it once again so that it just focuses. Yep, so now it is coming in. So it is telling us the humidity in the left when we 22% humidity. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now if I do it down, focus, do it once again, down. So it is showing us it is like 355 degrees. Did it once again. So it is showing it once again. 352 now, it must have moved, right? And okay guys, so this was it for this video guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to smash like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys, bye, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my videos.